The idea is that we want to move you from the left side of your screen to the right side of your screen with a focus on your savings. We want to change it so that you're not saving just 3% of your income, but 15%. If you do the math, that's actually a 500% increase in retirement. So even if Social Security goes south, like everybody thinks it's going to go, you're still going to be fine if you follow one of these programs. If we can eliminate the amount you pay in taxes from 40% of every dollar that 40 cents of every dollar you make right now is spent on taxes. If we can change that argument, change that discussion, and make it so you're only spending 30%. It sounds like only a 10% reduction, but it's not. It's actually a 25% reduction in the amount of money you're spending. And if we can do the same thing with the amount of interest you're paying over time, simply by paying things off early, then you're going to be better off. That's going to give you more time and more capacity to save money. Finally, we know that when we structure these programs, if I have to change your spending habits, if I have to put you in a situation where you're spending less money now, or when the program goes live than when you're spending right now, you are not likely to complete the program. And so none of us here want to set you up for failure, and that's definitely setting you up for failure. So what we want to do is we actually want to increase your cash flow, and we can do that. And it's there's about 85% of the people that I talk to are eligible for these programs. We can make something work. 15% of the people that aren't eligible, their problem is really that they've put themselves into such a debt issue that probably their best course of action would be to contact an attorney and maybe look at a Chapter 13 or something along those lines.